Hi, I just got back from the grocery store and they had buttermilk, and I just got the hankering for buttermilk biscuits. So I'm making buttermilk biscuits today, and I had some cast iron buttermilk biscuits on a vacation at a restaurant recently, and it was so good. So I got my biscuit cutters out and we're gonna get going. Start by adding 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt into your food processor and process till combined. Then add a half cup of cold butter and pulse until it's mixed in, or you can use a pastry cutter to cut in the butter. Dump it into a bowl, make a well, and add a cup of cold buttermilk. Drizzle your honey on top and then mix it so it's just mixed. It's still going to be really crumbly. Then you're going to lay it out flat till it's about an inch thick. Fold it into thirds so you get nice layers in your dough. Don't worry, it's a really crumbly dough, so this is going to be a little bit messy, but it all comes together in the end. Then flatten it back out, fold it into thirds again to create another set of layers, and then you're going to take your biscuit cutter and cut your biscuits. Make sure you don't twist it because that will seal the edges. But you're going to have these flaky, layery biscuits as a result, and they're so awesome. Just take a look at those layers. Put them in your cast iron pan. You can preheat the pan if you want. Brush them with additional buttermilk and bake. Once they're baked, you have these beautiful, flaky, golden biscuits that are crunchy on the outside and tender and soft on the inside. These are the best biscuits ever. Enjoy!